In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete or unsave saved messages on Snapchat conversation. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Snapchat app, and once it is done, just tap right here to go to your chats. After that, enter a conversation. Here, as you can see, we got a message, and then first off, guys, actually I'm gonna show you how we can save it. To do that, just long press at a conversation and then hit at save in chat. Now, guys, this message is highlighted with that gray bar and with that small red bar at the left. It means that it is saved in that conversation. And now let me show you how we can easily unsave it and delete. All you have to do is just long press at this message again and then just select unsave in chat to unsave it, and also in the same way long press on it and hit add delete if you would like to delete that particular message from that conversation. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.